Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Living with Keisha. So originally I was gonna do all my Black Friday unboxings together, but unfortunately all my packages did not come at the same time as my other packages did. So I'm gonna be doing this like in increments, but I do have 3 items that I can, I guess, showcase. I'm not gonna open this one just yet, just because the other piece to it is not here. But this is the piece to my new ring light. I'm actually going away with, oh my god, no phone. I'm going away with my Cosmo Glow. Just because now that I do brows, this is in the way. This whole little piece is always in the way when I'm trying to go outside. So my game plan now is to mount my ring light on my wall. That way it's not in my way and I can raise it up when I need to. And then when I need it, I can bring it back down. I didn't get 2. I wanted to, but I wanted to see how one works and how bright it gets. I haven't had a ring light in so long, so we will see how that goes. Okay, then I got a bottom lash tray from this girl. They're so cute. They're actually easy fans too. Somebody recommended to do easy fan lashes for bottom lashes. So I'm gonna test that out and I will definitely come back with a review for that as well. I got this glue from the Lash Architect. I was originally using True Face and .co's glue, but honestly and truly, the black was not working for me anymore. I honestly feel like clear works a lot better for me. It dries differently, and this is just a personal opinion, you know, like I just could not work with the black anymore. My retention was a lot different. So we are back with the clear glue. Unfortunately, she does not sell clear glue. So before I bought these, I did ask her, was she gonna sell clear glue anytime soon? And she said that she was not, unfortunately. Oh, I get 20% off, hey, period. So this is the glue boxes. I bought 2 because it was a Black Friday deal, so why not? Then, and I've heard really good things about her glue, retention wise and everything else in between. Like that it comes with an extra cap and also a popper, because you know sometimes your glue nozzles do get clogged, so you can pop it off and replace it with this one. But for now, that is it. That's all I have for now. But yeah, whenever we come back, I'll have more packages. Okay, so the other piece to my ring light was delivered today. So once we actually get this set up, then like I said, I will do a full review on it and go from there. Seems pretty darn small. Then I got a Brunson package for one of the little lamination kit pieces. So it's just that. My Temu bag, I have 3 orders coming, or I have 2 more coming, and so yeah, let's do this. Oh. I'm so excited. All right, so I got a hat, cause it be cold lately. It's a pretty darn thick hat. I got some winter clothing. Winter. Dang, this thing is big. This did not describe what the picture showed. Some more winter clothes. It's more winter shirts and clothes, I'm gonna say that. Oh yes. And then I got these for brushes for brows. Of course, they had to be black. More winter stuff. Winter shirts. Winter shirts. This is for my kitchen. This looks big. I do not think this is gonna fit my license plate. It's like Christmas. Oh yeah, this for your hair. Oh yeah, cause it's too cold outside to be not wearing a hat. So that's all I got. But we can look at these cute shirts. Yes. It's a drop fit. OMG, Santa, I know him. This one says 21. Can you do something for me? And I did get them a little bit bigger because sometimes I like to wear like long, big t-shirts and tights. So then I got this, and I have more shirts coming. They just in the other order, and I think it said it'll be here the 30th. Hee. I only got this because it was like cheetah print. This one, probably my favorite. One of my favorites. Heck yeah. So that is it so far. And then when everything else gets here, we'll do another one. Okay, let's see what we got. I don't even know why they sent these separate. Oh. Oh, it's a fever knee massager. More Christmas shirts. More shirts. A sweater. What is this? This is for your window when it's like raining. This thing long. Okay, so this one. The quality of the shirts are like absolutely amazing. This is so soft. Cool Moms Club. This will probably be my favorite. And then the back of it says Mom, Mommy, Mama, and Bro. And then I got this one. I love this skirt. Love it. And I got this one. And then I got this one. So that is all I got. I got this, it's called a cappuccino maker, but I'm actually gonna use it for when I'm doing brow tint, so I can make sure that the color mix is perfect. So it's just gonna blend it up and be good to go. I wonder if I think it needs batteries probably. Yup. Yeah, it needs batteries. So that's what it will be used for. Then I got some more brushes, brow brushes. And I got this for my car where you put Kleenexes at, and wipes. Brushes to clean my tweezers. This is a garlic chopper. This is a knee massager for my man's because his knee be bothering him. And then this is also a this is a bed, like a what's the name? Air mattress, but it's for your car. So you just put it in the back seat, air it up, somebody can go to sleep back there. And that's for my son whenever we go like on road trips and he be tired and his neck be like this. So yeah, just go ahead later. So that's what I got.